Welcome back to the Education Revolution. In today's lesson, you will learn about vowel sounds. We have 5 different vowels here: A, E, I, O, and U. These vowels have short sounds. We'll pronounce them as A, E, I, A, and Many of these sounds will happen when you use your lips to round out different vowels. For the A, we want to open our mouth, so we'll have b, a, t, bat. For the E, we should smile, so we have e, so b, e, t, bet. In Vietnamese, this makes an E sound, but in English it's an I, short I. So we have ba, it, bit. This one we want to open our mouths and make a circular shape, kind of like the letter O, and we go ah, ba, ought, bought. And finally the U sound, as in up. We have ba, t, but. So again, a, I, a, bat, bet, I, bit, bought, but. For the long sounds, we will see they sound like the letters themselves. So we have A, E, I, O, and U. For these, you can say them or hold them longer, as in this word here. We'll have ba, ate, bait, ba, eat, beat, ba, ite, bite, ba, oat, boat, ba, ute, e, beauty. So again, bait, beat, bite, boat, beauty. The long sounds are a little bit tricky because there's different spellings or patterns that we can see with these letters. Here are the patterns that you often will see with words. These all, of course, make the long sound. So this is A, E, I, O, U. The GH is silent in the I sound here. And these words here with the missing letters note that we could put in a letter. So something like this, we have ape. Okay. Keep practicing with these. You'll see lots of new words here shortly where we can practice these different sounds. Good luck.